some Alka-Seltzer missiles. First, you'll need some water. Use any water. You'll need some Alka-Seltzer, the tablets, and you'll need film canisters. So you'll take your film canister, open it up, you just plop your Alka-Seltzer in, just like that. Then you'll get your water, and you'll pour enough just to cover the Alka-Seltzer. You'll see it will start fizzing. That's good. Then you put the cap on, and you back up. Oh, and it's... You put the cap on, and you tip it over, and back up. Ooh. So the sodium bicarbonate in the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the H2O, causing it to make carbon dioxide, which builds up pressure and causes an explosion. Woo. If you want to make some grenades, this is the perfect way. So you get your Alka-Seltzer and your water, you do the exact same thing. Pour some water, find a friend, cap it. But I can save it still. No. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.